So let's talk about the king of memes, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is sitting at 23 cents, 23.9. It's almost 24 cents right now. And we talked about this thing yesterday extensively. Yesterday it was somewhere around 22 cents or something. And we talked about as long as it holds 20 cents, it can go and hit the area of 24 cents again. And of course, we need to conquer 24 to go and start the upward journey towards 26.5. So far, it is going on like that. The bottom yesterday that we saw was 21.7. Today, the peak that we saw is around 24.7. But the thing is that if we talk about 24 cents in itself, we are not seeing two candles with the bodies closing above this area. Only one candle had managed to go above it, close it, and the second one went below it. We need two daily candles closing above this area to conclude that, okay, now 24 cents is captured, and now we're going to have an upward journey, and it's going to be awesome. None of that is happening, and as long as that doesn't happen, we are not going to talk about 26.5 cents or 30 cents and stuff like that. All we can talk about is the downward journey towards the support of 20 cents. Now, it doesn't mean that Dogecoin is getting bearish or anything. It's just that right now, Dogecoin has started a falling channel. You can call it a falling wedge. You want to call it a bullish flag, whatever you want to name it, that is up to you. This structure is generally bullish, which means that once it starts giving breakout, the breakout is 70% of the times it goes up, 30% of the times it goes down, but the goes up and goes down happens once it completes this overall drama and it's done, which means that it can go down and hit that area, the downward area of this zone, and then from here it can go up and then go and hit the upper area, which makes it pretty much in our favor, because if you look at it, the downward journey area is 20 cents. It is going to get close to it, and the upward target, if you look at it, it is the area of 26 cents. So 26.5 is our target anyway. So the breakout on this thing, once it does, it will go and hit the area of 26.5 cents anyway. So even from the bullish structures perspective, the game plan is going to pretty much play out just like we talked about support and resistance. It's no different than other than that. So as long as 20 cents is intact, 26.5 cents stays alive. Let me put it like that. But we are seeing a falling channel in development. You can call it falling wedge or bullish flag, whatever you want to call it. That is in action. That means that there is still a probability of Dogecoin going down. Not that it is getting bearish, it's just that it is completing the structure, and the probability of hitting 26.5 cents as it is in that channel are now 70%, that we can still go and hit that. But will we see 30 cents or not is a whole different discussion. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.